In this video of JAIIB, we are going to start with the module C, and if you want to get all the previous videos of JAIIB, RBWM, simply do subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell notification icon so that you get updated whenever we upload the new videos. The full course PDFs are available for all the 4 papers free of cost on our website jaiib.learningsessions.in. So simply visit the link which is available in the description box below and further sign up over there for free of cost and start accessing the PDFs of all the 4 papers. So let's start the session over here, and it's related to the marketing. Now, what do you mean by marketing? Let's say case I'm having a product. Now I must be understanding that what are the customer preferences, what type of customer product the customers want, is it fulfilling the wants and desires of the customers, is it solving some problem, and further other than that how it's packaged, and further what's its pricing, and in what market I'm going to sell it, and further what are the different strategies, what is going to be my delivery channel, how I'm going to basically provide the particular product to my customers, or how I'm going to take the feedback from the customers, how I'm going to improve the product over there. That all is covered under the marketing over there. So marketing is actually a strategic process by which we are actually creating a product, we are promoting a product, and we are selling the product over there through our target customers to meet their needs and wants over there. So it's related to CPS, that is creating the product, promoting the product, and selling the product to whom? To our target audience, to our target customers over there, so that their needs are fulfilled over there. So it basically involves a process so that we can understand the customer preferences, we can be creating the products based upon the same, we can be utilizing the different various channels over there so as to reach them, so as to engage the potential buyers over there, can be selling the product to same, right? So that's all covered under the marketing. Now let's understand the different definitions over there. So Sir Frederick Sebon said what? So as to create and delivery of customer satisfying services that is actually at a profit to the bank, that is marketing over there. So it's related to what? That we are creating, we are delivering those services which customers do need but also beneficial or profitable to bank over there. That's the definition given by the Frederick Seaborn, right? And the second definition is given by Kenneth Andrew. So Kenneth Andrew said what? That we want to match the bank's resources the customers need, because the resources are limited. So we want to match the bank resources with the customer needs over there. That was the definition which was given by the Kenneth Andrew, right? And the Derek Vanderweer said what? That it's a proactive approach. It's not one-time approach. It's a proactive approach which is basically aimed at organizational excellence, because you want to basically get your organization goals fulfilled, right? So basically you need to identify the most profitable market, you need to basically identify the most profitable product, you need to assess the present and future demands and needs of the product, you need to basically set up the organization goals based upon that, you need to basically make the plans based upon that, and you must be adapting the same things over the time again. So that was all done and further said by Derek Vanderweer, related to identify the most profitable business. So it was related to identify the most profitable business and assess the needs and further set up the business goals, analyze the market, and for the plan, that is IASP was given, and that is related definition given by Derek Vanderweer. So Frederick Seaborn, Kenneth Andrew, Derek Vanderweer, they gave the definitions related to banking marketing, right? And further, now let's understand the definition related to to the customer over there. Now customer is actually the king. Customer is actually the king, and customer is a center of attraction in retail banking and marketing, and all the activities have to be focused around the customer only, because we need to identify the needs, we need to develop the appropriate product, we must be providing with efficient delivery channels the product to the person over there, and further we must be making the product be available continuously to the customer over there. That's actually related to the different functions involved around the customer. So customer is the basic point. So we need to identify needs, we need to develop the product over there, we need to basically provide the efficient delivery channels, and further we must be providing continuous approach of that particular product to the customer over there, right? Now let's understand the process of marketing. First of all, it's related to market research. Now market research is what? As I told you, first of all, identify the product, identify the market where you are going to get the potential customers. So in that scenario, we need to get the in-depth insights. In-depth insights, that knowing the territory is not enough. You need to get the in-depth insight at what is the demographics over there, what is the demand of this particular product over there, and what are the market trends over there, what are the different customer needs, customer preferences over there. That's actually related to market research. So it's related to R&D, that we are doing the research and development over there. Now after that, that, we need to basically define the total target market. Now after the research we have made, that what are the preferences, now we will be identifying that particular market which is matching with the research we have made so far. That is related to, we need to target a particular market, we need to target a particular market over there, and based upon that we need to basically develop a new product. So it's further after that, it's related to the product development, that we need to develop a product and how come our product is unique and further it's different from the other products, and what problems it is solving, so that must be done. And after that, it's related to pricing strategy, because we must be pricing our product in such a manner that we are able to cover all the cost, and also it must be value for money for the customer over there. And further, we must also be looking for the competitors pricing is available, right? So after that product development, we must be looking for the pricing basically comprises of what, that it must be covering the cost, that we must be profitable, and further as per the market competition, and further after that, it's related to that must be align the customer values, that it should not be the case that customer is thinking that it's too much pricey. Okay, it is too much pricey. And after that, it's related to promotion and advertising. Why promotion and advertising is particularly required? Because even if you have created a very good product, if the customer is not aware to the same, then the customer won't be buying the same, right? So in that scenario, you must be developing effective market messages, and further it can be through social media, through radio, television, print media, etc., so that we can be reaching our target audience, right? So once your customer is now basically aware about your product, it's the time that you are going to deliver that particular product, so as to showcase that particular product over there. So you must be having the different delivery channels. It may be the case that you're having a delivery channel through the branches or ATMs, through POS, so through virtual channels like internet banking, mobile banking, etc. So you must be looking for the same. And also you must be building strong relationships with the customers through personalized communication. We can be giving them custom support over there, we can be giving enrolling them into the loyalty programs over there. That's the main thing related to customer engagement. And further, it's related to data analysis and optimization. Now what do you mean by data analysis and optimization? Let's say case the customers are interacting, they are giving the feedback, and further they are interacting with us, they are giving us some knowledge about the product over there. Now we are to take the data driven decisions. We should not be taking the decisions virtually or what we basically think it to be. We must be thinking the decision based upon the data analysis over there, and must be making the optimization based upon that, right? And then the last one, it's related to feedback and adaptation. Now whatsoever the feedback if given by the customer, feedback is very much important. So feedback will be helping you so as to make improvement in your product, and further so as to adapt the market strategy over there, and also so as to ensure the customer satisfaction. So these were the different patterns related to what? Related to process of marketing. First of all, do research the market and target market identification. Product must be developed, and further product pricing, promotion, distribution, customer engagement, and data analysis and feedback, right? So these are the different processes of the marketing over there, right? Further, it's related to marketing in retail banking. Now, even when you're going to do the market in retail banking, you must be analyzing the market. You must be analyzing the market at what product you are going to introduce in what market. You must be doing the SWOT analysis, that is a strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat analysis. You must be doing the SWOT analysis over there, that who are your competitors and what are your strengths over there, how your particular product is unique, what should be your pricing. So that all analysis must be done, and based upon that, you must be doing the planning, that is a marketing planning over there. That what must be your plan related to same, what type of product must be created, how you're going to brand that particular product over there, what is your product going to be targeting, and what should be your product positioning in the market over there, and what will the marketing mix over there. Now marketing mix is actually a different set of tools, 7 P's, that will be discussing very shortly. Okay, so those also be done. So that is actually related to marketing retail banking. First, it's related to marketing analysis, second one is related to marketing planning, and third one is related to market implementation. Now you have analyzed, you have planned, but now it's related to implementation. You have to implement these things over there. That is why it is API. It is API, that analyze and for the plan, then implement over there. You must be having the answers for the question, that for who we are going to make the product, where you are going to deliver that product, when you will be delivering that product, and how it will be delivered, right? So you must be focusing on these bases over there, that you must be performing the activities in the right manner, and further this basically depends upon the blending right people in right culture, right structure, right decision making must be there, and reward systems can be attached so that there is repetitive involvement of the customers over there, right? Further, it's related to market control. It's related to the market control. Right now, market control is actually related to what? It's related to organizations perform the job of regulating its goal. Like, let's say case that you have analyzed, you have planned, you have implemented. Now it's a time to control the things. It's time to control the things. You basically thought something, but there was some divergence. Now how you can come back into that line? Let's say the case you thought that you will be having these much sales, but you're not having that much sales. So there must be some auditing, there must be some quantification, there must be some evaluation that where was the gap and what action plan must be there further, right? So corrective action is to be taken. That's actually related to marketing control over there. So we can say in retail banking, the marketing is actually related to API control. That is analyzing, planning, implementation, and controlling the same, right? Now let's understand the marketing mix in retail banking. Now marketing mix is actually related to set of tools. Now it's not related to one thing, it's related to different tools that you are having through which you will be making the marketing to another level. So as to basically you'll be utilizing the different resources, and further you'll be retaining the customers, you'll be offering it to the new customers over there, and further you'll be creating a competitive advantage in the retail banking sector. That's related to 7 P's. Now in 7 P's we are having the 7 things. It's related to product, it's related to place, price, promotion, physical evidence, people, and process. You need to memorize these things, 7 things over there. So it's related to, first of all, product, it's related to place, it's related to price, it's related to promotion, physical evidence, people, and for the process over there, right? So we'll be discussing them one by one in detail. So first of all, it's related to product. It's related to product. Now product is the center. Product is the center thing, because why? Because you have already analyzed the market, you have already researched the market, and further you are already knowing about the customer preferences. Based upon the same, you are actually going to design a product or basically design a service over there. And further, the product can be any physical item, it can be an intangible service, and also it also involves the critical ideas of the product over there. So that's related to product, that what we are going to offer. The second one, it's related to at what price we are going to offer, how we can be identifying that we must be covering overall cost, we must be competitive in the market, how come our discounts are going to affect our strategies, what payment patterns can be there, what can be the credit term related. So that's related to pricing, right? And for the third one, it's related to promotion. How come we are going to promote our product? It's related to advertising, it's related to personal selling, it's related to publicity, promotion, influencer market, direct marketing, etc. That's covered under the promotion. Then it's related to place. Now place is actually concerned with distribution channel, that how we are going to get our product to the customer. Like, would it be available at the shops? Would it be available through agents? Would it be door-to-door selling? Would it be through the branches? Would it be through some virtual platform over there? That's related to place. And further, it's related to people. Now people is actually concerned with that whosoever persons are coming in contact with the customers over there, like our employees, our training centers, our what incentives we are giving, and for the how they're behaving, what is their attitude when they are dealing with the customers over there, what is the interpersonal behavior, what is customer interaction behavior, right? That's actually related to people. And further, it's related to physical evidence. Like, it's actually related to these 3 points are covered with services. These 3 points are covered with services, right? How come these are connected with services? Because in case of product, you are dealing with the sales manager are still there, but still these are more important. This marketing mix is more important. 3 points are more important when you are dealing with the services over there, because those are intangible, right? Now in case of physical evidence or layout, it's not related to that you can be giving something tangible in the case of services, but still you can be giving them an ambience, like you can be giving them some environment where they are actually sitting or where they are standing and how they are behaving. Let's say case there is a VIP launch in your branch. Now in that scenario, it will be giving a premium look to your VIP customers or a very good customers, right? So that's actually related to giving them a physical evidence related to the same. Or let's say a personalized credit card, debit card, or let's say a personalized passbook. So these can be giving a tangibility to the services also, right? And the 7th one, it's related to process. Now process is related to that how you are managing the customer service, what is the capacity of the organization so as to offer the service, how you actually do handle the protest. Let's say if there was a protest, there was particular grievance from the customer side, so how you're going to deal with it. And we must be anticipating the things beforehand, right? Before even they have happened, we must be looking for the same. We must be going for the policies, different procedures, different systems, different use of technology, that how they are going to work, right? That's actually related to 7 P's. So 7 P's covered: product, price, promotion, place, people, physical evidence and the process over there. And after that, it's related to measuring marketing effectiveness. How you're going to take along that how your marketing is working. Is it positive or is it negative? So if the customer is responsive means that the products or services which were availed by the customer is satisfied about it, and for that will result in what? That will result in repetitive purchase or availment of the products or services again. And further, if the customer is not satisfied, in that scenario there will be no reason for the person so as to come back, because either they were already not satisfied with the products or services over there. So the success of these 7 P's related to the all the 7 P's over there, that can actually only be measured only by the responses that we are going to get from the customers over there. There is no other way. Okay. And further, it's related to what are the benefits of marketing. We can be acquiring new customers, we can be retaining our old customers, existing customers, we can be making persons more aware about our brand, we can be promoting our product, we can be cross-selling the product or upselling the product. Like we have already selling a product, sold a product, we can upsell the product, or we can selling a different product to the customers over there. It can be used for the market research and insights, that how come our customers are giving feedback to us, and it will be giving a competitive particular advantage to us. And further, it also helps in reputation management over there, because it creates a positive trust among the people and further counters the negative perceptions. Okay, so that will be all related to this particular video. I hope that you must have enjoyed the content of this particular video. So do rate this video out of 10, and don't forget to like this video and share this video. And further, the full course is available on our website, and you can also be getting the access to all the free PDFs. So do enroll right now, do sign up over there free of cost, and start accessing all the PDFs of all the 4 papers of JAIIB. So visit the link is available in the description box below, and start preparing for the same. Thank you so much, and see you again in the next video.